everyone, so today I will introduce you about the PCS1 type of water electrolysis device. So the tools provided along with the device will be big and small measuring cups and electronic scale with a salinity meters. So this tank consists of our raw material, which is the salt water, and the salt water will be absorbed into this electrolysis box to create the electrolyzed water. So as usual, we were on the machines and we will press on the start button to start the process. As this PCS1 device is a fully automatic device, so it will work for 20 minutes and rest for 10 minutes, and after the rest of 10 minutes it will start another round of 20 minutes, and we will get our electrolyzed water here. And the product concentration of this PCS1 device will be 500 ppm.